Tenses made easy. English to Urdu.
Past indefinite tense.
Affirmative sentences. सादा जुमले.
He wrote a letter.
इसने खत लिखा.
I went to school.
मैं स्कूल गया.
We played cricket.
हमने क्रिकेट खेली. Interrogative sentences.
सवालिया जुमले. Did he write a letter?
क्या उसने खत लिखा.
Did I go to school?
क्या मैं स्कूल गया.
Did we play cricket?
क्या हमने क्रिकेट खेली. Negative sentences.
मनफी जुमले. He did not write a letter.
इसने खत नहीं लिखा.
I did not go to school.
मैं स्कूल नहीं गया.
We did not play cricket.
हमने क्रिकेट नहीं खेली.